Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to know about how to enable Lightning knowledge in your Salesforce org and configure and activate knowledge base and how to set up a knowledge article to set up self-service community with case deflection component. So let's get started. Before setting up and using knowledge articles in Salesforce org, make sure the read-write permission for the knowledge article is provided to the agents or authors who can publish, archive, delete, and manage all the articles. In order to enable the Lightning knowledge, navigate to the setup and in quick find box, search for knowledge settings. Here you can edit knowledge settings and enable Lightning knowledge for your Salesforce org by checking this enable Lightning knowledge. After you enable the Lightning knowledge, you can't disable it. The easiest way to set up a self-service site that helps your agent or customer to find their answer is by using a guided setup flow which will help you to configure and activate your knowledge base. For that, navigate to the Service Console app's homepage, click on the setup and navigate to the service setup. In the recommended setup, click on the View All option and select the knowledge settings. Guided setup flow will make easier to set up your self-service site. Just click on Start and select the user you want to give permission to publish or archive the knowledge articles. By defining a data category for your articles, will make easier for you to sort similar article into unique data categories. Let me select the data category group for my article. Further categorize your knowledge articles by adding another category. Once you have set the categories for your articles, time to create some knowledge articles. So click on this button which will navigate you to the knowledge object where you can create a new article. In the information section, define the title for the article. Write the questions or questions this article answers here. And in the answer field, you can write the solution for this question. Once this visible in public knowledge base checkbox is checked, the article automatically appears in your help center once the article is published. You can publish your articles immediately, or you can also schedule publication of the knowledge article on a specific date. I'm selecting publish now, which will publish the article. Now, when the customer request or question comes in, the relevant knowledge article are shown automatically based on the case, subject and description. Now it's time to set up a Lightning community for our self-service site to use knowledge article with case deflection component. To set up Lightning community, so navigate to setup and search for communities in the quick find box. Here we need to enable the Lightning community for our org. Select a domain name. I am just selecting the test domain and just saving it. We'll create a Lightning community for our Salesforce org. Once the community are enabled in our Salesforce org, we need to create a new community by clicking on the button New Community, which will navigate us to choose the template for our community. Here I am selecting a customer service template and clicking on Get Started. Let me enter the name for the community, and here you can define custom URL for your community. Once the community is created, navigate to Community Builder to use case deflection component along with customer support form in your community. To use the case deflection component, navigate to Component and search for case deflection component. You can select this component and drag and drop on your page to use it. Let me also select the contact support form. Once the case deflection component and contact support form are placed on your community page, you can preview this page. When a user creates a case, suggested articles appear after the user types few characters in either subject or description field. Let's say a customer creates a case and use case deflection component to view a proposed article or discussion. After confirming that the article or discussion was helpful in solving the issue, the customer then abandoned the half-completed case, that is considered as a deflected case. In order to track deflected case in Salesforce, the Salesforce Case Deflection Reporting package can be installed from App Exchange in your org. Once you install the case deflection matrix in your org, simply navigate to the dashboard. Open the community case deflection matrix which we have installed from the App Exchange, which will give us the detailed information and reporting about the deflected case from your Salesforce community.